In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning AI images with Microsoft Designer Image Creator. Microsoft Designer is powered by Dall-E 3 and is completely free to use. Let's jump in. Go to the Microsoft Designer homepage and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Microsoft Designer's AI tools let you easily create captivating images, stickers, frames, greeting cards, collages, and social media posts. But for now, let's create an image. If you know exactly what you want to create and how to describe it, just type your details in the text box and hit the Generate button. If you need some inspiration or don't come up with a description for your idea, use the prompt templates as a starting point. A prompt is a description that guides the AI on what image to create. Each image in the Microsoft Designer Gallery comes with a prompt you can customize. To discover more prompt templates, open the Image Creator. Browse through the templates and click on an image if you want to use it. Fill in the blanks to edit your prompt. If you want to change other parts of the description, select Edit Entire Prompt. Then, click on Generate. The Image Creator will generate 4 images you can choose from. Click on one of the images to enlarge it. From here, you can download, copy, or edit your image. Ready to unleash your creativity? What's the first masterpiece you'll craft with Microsoft Designer? Let me know in the comments.